Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install Where Winds Meet on your PS5. Now this guide helps you to get the game quickly so that you can start playing without any confusion. So to begin with, first of all, you need to turn on your PS5. Make sure that you are signed in to your PlayStation account. From the home screen, simply open PlayStation Store. Now use the search bar at the top, then simply type Where Winds Meet. When the game appears in the search results, simply select it to open the game. Now choose the download and the add to library option. If the game is free, it will start downloading right away. If it is paid, you will have to confirm your purchase to begin the download. After the download finishes, go back to the home screen and game library. You will see Where Winds Meet listed there. Select the game and press the install button if it hasn't installed automatically. Once the installation is completed, you can open the game and start playing it on your PS5. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.